Okay, alright.
Oh, yes,
Oh yeah, you got it.
Yeah, man. Alright.
So let me ask, how was your stay?
Was beautiful.
So
Trevor, baby. I haven't done too much.
Hey.
I do too much now.
That face look lovely when I see it. Touch it.
And I said,
Only
never
if you could have been a way.
You can't do it for too long.
Beautiful.
I
Beautiful.
saw her sleep on the bed.
You know, people, natural so people them on TikTok. With the boy with always a narrator named Joshua. One named Joshua, one named Kofu.
This is Joshua.
Yeah.
And Joshua likes to chop plants.
Right, so this is Camille. This is Trevor. Camille and Trevor live good sometime. but Nancy could have do a better job.
You see how the Trevor hold upon this?
Yes.
I say Trevor can't hold upon
On the
this.
bed.
So, oh, we're going to sleep.
So,
I'm going to show you already.
come put on
I could have sleep all in the middle.
then let me
And
go
the
ask you.
clown will cuddle me.
Come. So we are sleep. Come. We
Come in at the front.
No.
Rape is it? So many wicked enough. Come on, we can go shoot the rat.
You got a break left in there for no more lives, you know?
No, what go on?
And Nicey?
What should I do?
Nicey pop again.
Yo, Nicey.
No, that's it. Imagine me in the middle line. Me just see her, I go so.
People.
No.
Because what you don't know, me know say no man gonna come back now, yes, I don't want to come back. People, I turn, you know, for converse with that in the scene, you know. I'm switching the pod. Nicey. No, man.
No, me know say man come back now, yes, I go so. Me say,
People, about 3 were gone. And here one is not the silent side there.
And it's
Try to do it on them because of blah.
if I did tip of it.
The tip of the one.
Shit.
So, yes, oh shit.
No, that come off of the head. You don't smell it or sting?
No, for real. Come me there over yourself.
I'm a prankster. Tell him, say, I can't do no more shoot.
Sir, just a minute. Then I shall make a woman and
Then pregnant not the bad news. So
don't know a serious time.
we just have some going. I see no issues now. This is that just have to take a break.
Well, yes, I'm all this in the already. Unless you want me to just do that part that we do, like the buffet visit.
Yeah.
Yes. So we can use that if you're good with doing one more shoot.
And there's something more on the board.
No, well, my overs when I'm something going on because sometimes with headspace, we go through some things sometimes where any added pressure about the trigger you. So if it's a moment you need, take a moment and then you decide whether or not you think you can step back in it. Take a moment. Take a moment. But then it's a mental health real, and if you feel like you can't go no further, then if you know say you have a text sometime and then you can forward back and everything and get it done, then maybe do the time because not since you're stepping on that thing you have never had no issue with when you show me say you're somebody who want to learn it and we do more, but if you're having personal issues then
And then sometimes I feel like I'm not do a good job at it as well. So
you feel like you're not doing a good job.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, but don't beat up yourself too much because you're learning. Listen, tell you are doing what people take years to get to know. You get what I'm saying? And what we find with you is that you want to learn it. So the fact that you want to learn it, then you will learn. So don't beat up yourself. Take your time with yourself. And maybe this is as a result as well of you feeling stressed, so you feel like you're not doing enough. But I can tell you, as somebody who just, as a young person who's stepping into acting, there is potential there. You know, so take some time with yourself, man. And we will set it show that there's an open door thing where if you forward again, you forward again. Take the moment if you need it.
I'm sorry. It's a prank. I tell him the same can't take no more. Why? I'm sorry.
What she tell Miranda, she pranked you. Sorry, sir.
If one more to come to me with this, alright, cool. If one more to come to me with this, I'm gonna say no go away. Me not care what I'm telling you, no go on about the.
But I appreciate the pep talk. I appreciate it.
Big up yourself.
But I'm sorry.
Yeah,
One
I'm done.
prank nation.
Oh, you're feeling that? Oh God, 3 prank this
No, yeah, nice work that one. Yeah, nice work that one. Yeah, she work it because me looking at. I should never poop.
No. You did good. Yay! As an actress, what did show you say? Good actress.
Let me tell you.
How was my first prank?
Which first
When
prank?
me did prank you?
Which one, man?
The first, no man, your prank better. She couldn't, she nervous, so she, yeah. So, yeah. But Nicey, proves you're an actress, yeah? You have potential. Nicey, fool the director. Come me there, I'm going right now and I say, yeah, but if
When me
you
go too deep, I say, I can't make him pour out and say a prank. I am sorry about it, a prank.
That got deep, you know.
Yeah man, in diggy ham.
Junior and they're dead.
Come here, pass, and she said,
Wait, when me I come to an